Hey everyone, and welcome back. Need to find a specific client or group of contacts in your Bitrix24 CRM? In this video, I'll show you how to use filters and search to find them instantly. First, go to your CRM and click on Contacts. At the top of the list, you'll see a search bar. Just type a name, email, or phone number here to find a specific person, but the real power is in filters. Click the filter button next to the search bar. A menu will open with tons of options. You can filter contacts by their company, by who created the contact, or by tags. You can also filter by date. Show only contacts created in the last week, or those who haven't been contacted in over a month. Once you've set your filters, you can save this view. Click Save Filter and give it a name like Hot Leads or Clients in New York. Now, you can access this filtered list with one click anytime, and that's it. Using search and saved filters turns your massive contact list into an organized, easy-to-navigate database. If you create a useful filter, let me know what it's for in the comments. See you in the next one.